We monitor the CDC meeting where they are discussing those 6 rare cases in the U.S. News 4 did spend the day asking area health departments what they will do if Johnson & Johnson is once again given the green light.
And new tonight at 5, our Emma Hogue found out fewer options in some cases make it easier. She joins us live from Webster Pharmacy with the latest on that. Emma?
Well, Corey, in this case, less is more for the owner at Webster Pharmacy. He says only offering Moderna makes it easier not to waste doses. And while health departments in Illinois and Missouri have put a pause on Johnson & Johnson, one man tells me it's the only vaccine he'll get.
The past couple of weeks, we started to look fairly hard. I actually found on the KMOV site, you guys have a list of providers, so we used that to find one finally.
Vince English landed an appointment for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine next week through Affinia Healthcare. But when they told him Tuesday they'd now only be offering Moderna, he canceled.
I turned them down. I said I would prefer to wait.
Why?
Again, as I mentioned earlier, I'm a bit more comfortable with the adenovirus vector than the idea of the mRNA technology. So again, it seems like this is a very low risk.
English says he's holding off until he can find a dose of J&J. But tonight, area health departments say they're not rushing into things. Instead, most are waiting for guidance, not only from the CDC, but from the state.
It's pretty nice only having just Moderna. Yeah. It's made it a lot easier.
At Webster Pharmacy, owner Steve Zielinski says distribution is simpler now that he's only offering Moderna. Before, customers didn't know what they were getting ahead of time, leading to unused doses.
And some people would cancel their appointments, or we'd end up wasting doses of Moderna because they wanted Johnson & Johnson. So we would have doses ready to go and appointments ready, but then we ended up wasting more doses.
If you're not in that demographic, it's a lot less concerning, I think, having that there's been no cases of men.
With a background in statistics, English says the odds aren't concerning. He's ready to roll up his sleeve as soon as he can.
I'm just hopeful we'll get this reauthorized and I'll be able to get the vaccine in the coming days.
So it's important to note here that the St. Louis area never got a huge supply of Johnson & Johnson to begin with. In the past months, they've primarily relied on Pfizer and Moderna. So this really doesn't change operations for them much. But the overarching question is, will this pause keep others from getting the vaccine? One woman in that vulnerable age group says she hopes not. You'll hear from her coming up tonight on News 4 at 6. For now, reporting live in Webster Groves, Emma Hogue, News 4.